When serving people is part of your success, you tend to take it seriously. So when it comes to making you and your tenants happy, DTE's Multifamily program is here to help. Our multifamily program offerings are designed to give you the tools and guide you to improving your property for the better through lower energy bills, increased comfort, and a more eco-friendly living space. DTE also offers rebates and long-term energy savings for the improvements to lower your costs. Learn more about our program to see all of the ways you can save. You can even get started with something as simple as a no-cost energy assessment to help determine which energy-saving opportunities are right for you. Plus, if your property meets income qualified guidelines, we can even offer you increased rebates for the upgrades. Your people matter. Show them how much by creating a home and a property you can both be proud of. Contact us today to start saving energy and earning rebates.